Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get to see latest information for your gadgets. And today we are going to talk about a variant that is none other than HP's Chromebook 11 out here. A very interesting gadget out here, interesting name, that is Chromebook. And when we say Chromebook, it does not mean that we are not going to talk about HP's specified features, which can be said as important features. But talking about this variant, then we can say that this variant was specifically designed keeping in mind the home sector, that is the home usage, because there are mostly gadgets in HP series that they are defined or designed for corporate world out here, but this was designed for the home usage. Now talking about this variant, talking about this version, then we can say that this variant is using the home usage. So the security inbuilt in it, or the embedded security out here, is the TPM 1.2 security chip system. That you have TPM 1.2 security chip system here. Along with that, you also get to see that it is offering you operating system, that is the operating out here, from Google Chrome OS. So this is the reason why this gadget was named as Chromebook. Now talking about this Chromebook, talking about this variant, talking about this version, we can say that Google Chrome OS, that is the operating system out here, is actually different from the Windows operating system. And such a difference is included out here, so you can definitely expect a lot of changes in it. There are so many changes in the processing system, we can say in the chip system, internal systems out there, functionality, inbuilt apps, everything has a difference out there. Now talking about this variant, talking about this version, then we can say that this variant out here uses a very interesting factor, that is that it uses a CPU, or the processing system, from Samsung's most trusted word key brand, or we can say the Samsung's in own processing out there. It uses a very interesting processor out there, that is Samsung Inus, or we can say Anus 5 dual 1.7 gigahertz clock speed version. Now you must be wondering why this Samsung's version is there, because when there is always a evolution, then we try to have something different out and not the normal things, so that we can see the best working. And with Google Chrome, you can say the operating system it has, Samsung Inusco 5 is working so well, or is coordinating so well, collaborating so well, that it is giving the best output out there, offering you a speed, or the clock speed, of about 1.7 gigahertz. We can say that it's a really amazing version out there. Along with that, you get to see that number of cores out here, or it is the dual core version. We can see the core system out there is a dual core version. Talking about this variant, we can say that it offers you a good cache memory as well as the RAM memory out here. Talking about the RAM memory, then we can say that it offers you a RAM memory of one RAM memory speed actually. Yes, the RAM memory speed, if we talk about the RAM memory speed, then it offers you a RAM memory speed of 1600 megahertz. 1600 megahertz is definitely a good number, or a good speed out here. Or we can say 1600 megahertz is definitely a worth speed out there. Along with that, you get to see installed RAM of 2 GB. Yes, you get to have an installed RAM of 2 GB out here. And when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant is offering you a very interesting factor in it. That is the provided memory is solitarized, or we can say soldered out here. That is the thing, we can say configuration is stored in itself, like it is one is, we can say, like it cannot be either, we can say, expanded out much, or we can say could be decreased out. Like it is 2 GB itself, not more, not less. Yes. Now talking about this variant, we can say that it is in the form of DDR3L, a RAM type, a RAM variant out here, which was quite popular out back then. And DDR3L was really an amazing version, which we still see in most of the gadgets. Most of the gadgets use this kind of a variant. Now talking about this variant, talking about this version, that is Chrome 11 out here, or the Chromebook 11, we can say. Household use के लिए है, so you get to see that it is definitely a rotatable out here version. Along with with that, you also get to see that this variant out here is offering you a great specifications out there. Apart from that, if you talk about this variant, then we can say that it is offering you a screen type of LED. Yes, the display is of LED. Along with it, you get to see IPS technology inbuilt in it, along with backlight and a wide screen of HD resolution. So overall, if you say, then we can say that it is of IPS LED backlight HD resolution display, offering you a screen size of 29.5 centimeters. So 29.5 centimeter is definitely a good screen size, a good variant out here, we can say. Now, when we talk about this variant, we can say that every gadget, multimedia, or anything out there is working well only with the graphical part out there. So, talking about the graphics, it is using ARM Mali out there. This kind of graphics is actually used by Samsung only. Now, since processing is by Samsung out here, chip system is out by Samsung. So, graphical part is also controlled by Samsung's most trusted brands out there. ARM Mali is using the graphical part or is coordinating to the graphical part, then we can say it has got a good graphics. Along with that, you get to have integrated webcam with stereo speakers and microphones, offering you a great functionality in the multimedia. But what is really amazing or very interesting about this variant is that the internal storage out there, the hard drive storage out there, it offers you SSD type storage of 16 GB. Yes, 16 GB SSD type storage. So this is basically for the household purpose only, for the house usage, not for the corporate world. Looking at the size or the hard drive, then we can say that it is basically designed for the household purpose only. Offering you a keyboard as well as touchpad, trackpad, multi-touch keypad out here, touchpad, because it's a rotational version. Yes, it's a rotational version, so definitely you get to have a very interesting variant. Talking about this variant, we can say it has got no optical drive but a good Bluetooth and a Wi-Fi connectivity. Along with that, USB support system, audio input output jack system, SD card reading support system, multi-card reading support system, and a good battery life of 29.9, or we can say 30 volts capacity battery out there, offering you three cell lithium ion and lithium polymer cells out there, which are three cells. So it is very light version out there. It is not a heavy version out there. Now, when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant is offering you a system or gadget which is 360-degree workable. So you get to have a very interesting variant. You can use that as a tab. You can use it as a notebook. You can use it like any other format you want. Offering you a good connectivity out there. Google Chrome's operating system. So you get to see there are a lot of inbuilt infrastructures out there. You get to see there are some inbuilt apps also. You get to see there are few things which are definitely inbuilt in like HP's other models also. Now talking about this variant, let us talk about the pricing also. Talking about the pricing, because household versions definitely require a good pricing. And talking about the pricing, we are at the site which is just at click.com. This site gives us an ample amount of gadgets in our pocket friendly rates. Along with that, you get to see that this site offers you customizability option. Yes, customizability option is available out here, which gives you a great offering, and you can customize your gadgets accordingly. Now talking about this gadget, let us search this gadget in this search icon, and we can check out our gadgets in this. So this is the result, and talking about the results, as we said, we can customize our gadgets. So we are having a HP Google Chrome, or we can say Chromebook 11 two versions, G5 and G2 out here. Both of them can be customized out here. So let us just click on any of the variant. Let us click on this variant. Now talking about the results, after clicking, you get to see a small description at the top. You get to see a small description at the bottom, which can be customized. Definitely when customized option is available out here. If customizability option is available in that gadget from the company, then it can be customized. So now talking about this variant, then let us talk about this gadget that is refurbished category out here. So this product is under the category of refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition also, so that we know what are refurbished gadgets all about. Talking about refurbished products, we can say that refurbished products are nothing else but gadgets which are absolutely newly like. We can say they are brand new like, or when we say the term refurbished, then we can say that, or we can define it as creating something newly like. Yes, we can say that creating something newly like. Now when we say refurbished and brand new, what does this refurbished and brand new all means about? Refurbished and brand new, they are nothing different. The only difference lies out in the pre-ownization. What is pre-ownization? Once a gadget is pre-owned, then it reduces its market value. So that is what pre-ownization means. Otherwise, it is absolutely same. It is actually same in the structure, same in design, functionality, testing, output, everything is same. Now, reducing the market price does not mean that it does not have the value. It has the same value in it, but the pricing might differ. Yes, the pricing might differ out there. Now, talking about refurbished and brand new products, let us talk about the pathway. How is it pre-owned? Talking about the pathways, we can say that there is a base. Yes, we have a base, we have a mediator, we have a consumer. Then the brand new happens to be in the format like there's a company which launches a gadget, that is brand new gadget out there in the market. Then comes the marketplace. Then comes the user. Yes, now the company is there. This is the base. It is going to launch its gadget, that is the brand new gadget. It is now having a marketplace, a place where the gadget is displayed for the users to buy. Now it is ready to be sold off. Now it is sold to the users. Now this gadget is owned by the user. This is the power, or this is called owning of a gadget. In refurbished condition, what happens? The user is becoming the base. Yes, the user becomes the base, and now is having the pre-owned gadget, that is the pre-ownization, we can say pre-owned gadget, and wants to resell that. What happens? It is brought in the marketplace. It is sold out to the marketplace out here, to various sites out there. It is sold off. Now after selling off, it is again resold to the new users under the category of refurbished or certified refurbished. So these are the two categories out there. Talking about the categories out there, how it is defined? It is defined on the basis of testers. Company, before launching it into the market, tests it on various sites. There are various sites for testing a gadget. But when a gadget is pre-owned, then that particular site which is reselling it has to test, verify it, then it has to be resold. Now, what does this all testing is all about? Talking about the testing parameters, they are absolutely same, just like the we can say brand new. They are absolutely same. You will find that brand new and refurbished gadgets have the same parameters. Now, these parameters include nothing else but the external and internal factors. What are these internal and external factors? These are nothing else. External factors are like uh, the display, the design, the heaviness, that is the weight, the buttons intactness, jacks out there, ports out there, connectivity, display types, scratches, functionality of each button, each function, the command centers out there, like if we know the shortcuts, whether they are working properly or not. So everything which has to be checked out, we can say in a way which is like they are working properly or not as the company has stated them. This has to be the external parameters. These parameters do not require any kind of robots, any kind of software. These are not required for that. They are tested by through eyes or simple gadgets, whichever they are. Now, when we talk about these external parameters, they have cross external. Now, what happens to the internal parameters? Now, they are coming to the internal factors, which are the processing, chip systems, speed, RAM, spindle speed, hard drive storage type, graphical processing, web camera out here, audio quality, video quality, resolution, everything. So what happens is these has to be tested with a specified gadgets or equipment, or we can say specified softwares out there. Now, when it is checked out, the connectivity, everything has to be checked. Once it is checked out, they are certified as certified refurbished products or refurbished. Both are safe. But what will happen if it fails in any of the parameters? What happens to it? If it fails in any of the parameters, or if it can be replaced, if the gadget, the screen is not working properly, then it has to be replaced. Buttons are not working properly, then it has to be replaced. Everything which can be replaced or renewed can be done within this period. Once the gadget is absolutely newly live, then you get to have a good quality product, good services given by this. So it is absolutely good for the market to reuse. Now it is brought on the working side and is done out there so that it can be easily sold off. Now it is sold off to the new users under the category of refurbished. But while we are talking about refurbished products, we can say there are few benefits. Number one, pocket friendly rates. It offers you pocket friendly rates. Yes, refurbished products offers you pocket friendly rates. As we know, brand new products usually have slightly high range, or we can say they are slightly expensive, whereas refurbished products, they are quite pocket friendly rating out there. As well as you get to see that it offers you a great savings. Now how it saves, because there is a difference in the pricing, you get to save a good amount of savings. Yes, there's a difference in savings, there is a difference in pricing, there's difference, so you get to save a good amount. Now we know that brand new products offers you 1 year warranty, whereas refurbished products or the pre-owned gadgets, does this offers you any kind of warranty period? Yes, it offers you 6 months warranty period. Refurbished products offers you 6 months warranty period. Along with that, you get to have 7 days exchange policy. So you get to have 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy, pocket friendly rate, savings. So what else do we need? Because refurbished products offers you the same product, the same gadget with all the specifications under your favorite pocketable rates. Now let us visit out the website once again so that we know about the gadgets once again. Talking about the gadgets, we are at justatclick.com. Yes, we were talking about justatclick.com. This site offers you great range of products, great range of gadgets from reputed brands under your pocketable rates. They are under your pocket friendly rates. So what else do we need? Apart from that, it offers you customizability option. You can customize your gadget accordingly. Now, how we can customize? If the company is offering you a variation in the RAM type, US storage type, processing, graphics, whatever the company is offering you, we can have that customization option here also. Whereas you, for more details, you can definitely check out the website. Apart from that, it offers you COD. Since it's an online shopping site, it is a hassle-free shopping out there. COD is there. You also get to see that it offers you a good range of things like free shipping, that is free home delivery. Now, if you talk about the delivery timing, then it might take according to your customization option, obviously. But apart from that, it takes approximately 48 hours in UAE, mostly parts, whereas Saudi it might take up to a week. Money back guarantee, that is the 7 exchange policy out here with online support system. You get to have your favorite gadgets in your pocket friendly rate. So visit out the website for best pricing. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Description has the link, so you can visit out the website link. And you can go on Google and type justatclick.com.